On this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about Pyth Network, which is PYTH, and see what has happened in this coin since the last time I've talked about it. So a couple of days ago, I brought to you guys Pyth Network, the analysis on the charts here, and talked about a falling wedge pattern, which is definitely a pattern you guys should be learning how to chart. It's very simple. You take a top trend line and you connect at least 3 candles. You take a bottom trend line and connect at least 3 candles, and you should have a tightening triangle, okay? Which tells you after an extensive downtrend on that time frame that this price action has a higher chance of breaking out to the upside. And in this case of Pyth Network, it did, and I adjusted the price target based on this actual breakout point here, which is going to be about a 30 cents price target for Pyth Network, which is still a pretty decent move for a bigger altcoin like this. It is top 100 by market cap. So let's see what Pyth Network could be doing next, okay? Let's come over here and zoom into the daily time frame and see if I can get any more clarity on the daily time frame. It was in overbought levels, as indicated by the RSI, went up to about 80 before taking a dip right now. It has broken through quite a bit of these moving averages that were resistance, though, so that is significant. But could Pyth Network come all the way back down here to the breakout points and some of these averages, moving averages, to retest them? Just gonna have to wait and see and continue charting on the lower time frames in this case to get a better idea. Let's take a look into the 4-hour time frame, or maybe even lower here, 2-hour, because there are some moving averages that are still coming up to the price action. Okay, so this could be a, let me see here. This could be a possible scenario. No, that's already too wide of a bottom trend line. So it could be forming some type of a falling wedge, right? It could. If it doesn't break above this upper trend line here, there is also a possible double top here, right? That could actually be breaking down, right? So double tops are usually bearish, right? And you have a double top here. And the price target for the breakdown target of this double top, which is basically you measure the the distance from the top of the pattern to the bottom, and then you put that measurement at the bottom of the pattern, which would give you a price target of about just right above 15 cents there, price target. Now, this falling wedge scenario could still happen. Just gotta keep an eye out on that. And if that does happen, that could mean that there is a possible reversal of this double top pattern. So something's to be paying attention to. So that is basically a very quick update on Pyth Network from a higher time frame to a lower time frame. Okay, and seeing what it could happen here if it breaks some of these trend lines. Now, I am so a lot of this is going to depend on Bitcoin, of course. If Bitcoin continues dumping like we're seeing today, that's going to be bad for the altcoins and could bring quite a bit of these altcoin price actions down with it. So gotta be paying attention to Bitcoin. I will link you guys to my Bitcoin video that I did in more detail today. I never trade altcoins without a clear understanding of Bitcoin, so I highly recommend you guys watch it. And of course, I am long on Bitcoin. I am long on quite a bit of the altcoins here, so my opinion on this market is bullish, but these are just my opinions and not financial advice. So this basically wraps it up for Pyth Network updates. Let me know if you guys want to continue seeing any more of Pyth Network or any other coins in this market by dropping a like, comment, subscribe. I will pick a request to do for you guys on a daily basis.